In the many businesses I've run, I've gotten results. But one of the tricks I've learned is how to use a smile to get the results you're looking for. Now, we all know negative people. They can never find anything positive to say about anybody else. They never give compliments. They're always looking for what's wrong in situations instead of what's right. Nobody likes being around those people. People cringe when they walk in the room. They don't want to take their calls. They don't want to take their emails. They certainly don't want to work hand in hand with them on a project. Don't let that be you. I remember when I met Brian Palmer, and he really changed my life. He was my mentor. Brian was always positive, always felt like he was unstoppable, and always built amazing teams that were loyal to him. I remember when I asked for that first promotion to be a general sales manager. A lot of people had more skill and definitely more history. I was in my 20s, and he gave me that shot. When Brian promoted me to be second in command to take over dealerships with him, we traveled around the country. In every dealership we left a trail of positive energy, a positive force from the top down. Everybody felt like a winner, and they were better off when we left than when we got there. I couldn't comprehend what we were doing that was so special, but everywhere we went, we would win. It was later that Brian would tell me the reason we win and the reason he chose me was not because of my skill set exactly, but because of my attitude. Because I always felt like I couldn't lose and I was not willing to lose, and he felt that that kind of attitude was infectious to people around me. He was quick to make a decision. If you did not have a great attitude, you could not play on our team. I'll never forget what Brian Palmer taught me. He used to always say, when you become a manager, you give up the right to be negative. If you're the person that walks into the room and everybody cringes, nobody likes to get your emails, nobody likes to take your calls, nobody looks forward to spending time with you in the workplace, boy, you're the problem. Attitude is infectious. Now, your attitude dictates whether other people will look to you as a leader and will want to follow. If you're always thinking negative, always looking for the thing that's wrong with everything and everybody, nobody wants to follow that person. If you have an attitude that says, I want to win, follow me, I can get us there, and you focus on building that kind of mentality, the whole place will transform. What you seek, you will find. If you're looking for what's wrong in the situation, you're going to find it. If you're looking for what's right, you're going to find it. Focus on what's right with people. Make them so big, everything that they do right, so big that it casts a shadow on everything that they do wrong. Thanks for watching. Now, if you thought that video sucked, be sure and check out some of the other videos. There's something good in there for you. Let's kickstart your day.